Good day, sir. I will discuss a timetable. What is a timetable? A timetable is a chart show as predicted time and height of the ocean tide for a specific location over a period of time, usually daily, weekly, or monthly. Still, you win high tide and low tide will be happen and how high or low water will be. Important of timetable: ship navigation, beach activity, fishing, coastal construction. Ship navigation. Knowing tide time help boater sailors and fishermen avoid shallow waters and navigate safely. Beach activity. Tide tables inform the beach tour about optical time for swimming, surfing, or exploring tide falls. Fishing. Understanding tide help angler choose a best fishing time and location. Coastal construction. Tide data is crucial for planning executing a coastal construction project. Example of arrival of the port. Let's say a seafaring arriving at the port with a shallow entrance channel. By consulting the tide tables, they can determine best time of the enter the port. The seafaring can plan their arrival to coincide with high tide, ensuring surface water depth for safe passage. Safe passage planning. Knowing that predicted tide high, the seafarer can plan their routes, avoiding shallow areas and ensuring safe passage. In summary, tide tables are not merely an helpful tools but a critical safety and operational necessity for superiors. They provide the essential data needed to plan safe and efficient for arrivals, minimize risks, and maximize operational efficiency.